Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. TSMC signals massive AI chip demand surge in 2026, what it means for the US tech industry. The global technology landscape is entering one of its most important turning points in decades. And at the center of it all is TSMC, Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company. In 2026, the company has officially confirmed what analysts have been predicting for months. AI chip demand is exploding at an unprecedented scale, driven primarily by US tech giants and the rapid expansion of artificial intelligence infrastructure. This is not just another earnings report. It is a clear signal that the AI revolution has moved from software hype into full-scale industrial infrastructure transformation. AI demand is rewriting the semiconductor industry. TSMC reported a powerful surge in revenue, largely fueled by demand for advanced chips used in AI systems, data centers, and high-performance computing. These chips are the backbone of modern AI models, powering everything from generative AI tools to enterprise automation systems across the United States. Companies like Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are aggressively competing for AI computing power. This competition has created a massive bottleneck in global chip supply, placing TSMC in a uniquely dominant position as the world's leading semiconductor manufacturer. In simple terms, if AI is the new oil, then TSMC is one of the most important refineries in the world. Why the US tech market is watching closely. For American investors and tech companies, TSMC's performance is more than just overseas news. It directly impacts the entire US stock market and technology ecosystem. Here's why it matters. AI-driven data centers in the US are expanding at record speed. Cloud providers are competing for limited chip supply. Semiconductor shortages are influencing pricing and innovation cycles. Big tech capital spending is shifting heavily toward AI infrastructure. This has created what many analysts are calling a compute arms race, where the biggest limitation is no longer ideas or software, but physical access to AI chips and manufacturing capacity. Wall Street reaction and market impact. Following the latest signals from TSMC, semiconductor stocks have seen renewed investor interest. The market is increasingly pricing in long-term AI growth rather than short-term cycles. AI-focused companies are benefiting the most, especially those tied to chip design, fabrication, and cloud infrastructure. The Nasdaq continues to reflect strong confidence that AI is not a bubble, but rather a multi-year structural growth cycle similar to the early internet era, except significantly more capital-intensive. The real AI bottleneck: chips, not software. One of the biggest revelations from the 2026 AI boom is that innovation is no longer limited by software development. Instead, the bottleneck has shifted to semiconductor manufacturing capacity, advanced chip design complexity, energy consumption in AI data centers, supply chain constraints in high-end computing hardware. TSMC sits directly at the center of this bottleneck, making it one of the most strategically important companies in the global economy. The bigger picture: AI infrastructure era begins. What we are witnessing is the beginning of a new industrial phase, the AI infrastructure era. Unlike previous tech cycles focused on apps or social media platforms, this wave is driven by massive physical infrastructure investments: data centers, GPUs, chip fabrication plants, and global supply chain expansion. The United States is leading this transformation, with billions being invested into AI supercomputing clusters and cloud expansion projects. However, the success of this entire ecosystem depends heavily on companies like TSMC that manufacture the world's most advanced chips. Final takeaway: TSMC's explosive growth in 2026 is not an isolated success story. It is a reflection of a much larger global shift. AI demand is accelerating faster than supply chains can adapt, and the semiconductor industry has become the foundation of the modern digital economy. For US investors, tech enthusiasts, and policymakers, the message is clear. AI is no longer the future, it is the present. Chips are the new strategic resource, and TSMC is at the center of the global tech revolution. As AI continues to evolve, the companies that control computing power will define the next decade of technological leadership. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.